Hi, today we are going to learn about time. We use a clock to tell the time. There are three types of hands on the clock. The hand which is the shortest in size is the hour hand. This hand tells us which hour it is. The numbers on the clock represent the hours. The hand which is larger in size than the hour hand is the minute hand. This shows how many minutes are past the hour. Both the hands move in the same direction, which we call clockwise direction. When the longer hand, that is the minute hand, is pointing to the number 12 and the smaller hand, that is the hour hand, is pointing to one of the hour numbers, we call this o'clock. The second hand is of different color than the other two hands and is the largest of the three hands as shown below. Do you know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, whereas 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour? For example, the minute hand is at 12, whereas the hour hand is at 3. So the time is 3 o'clock. Let's try one more. What is the time that is shown on this clock? On this clock, the minute hand is pointing to 12 and the hour hand is pointing to 8. That means the time is 8 o'clock. Tell the time to half past the hour. When the minute hand is at the number 6, then we call it half past. Here the minute hand is at 6. The hour hand is just past 1. This clock is showing half past 1. Let's learn about some keywords related to time. First is quicker. Something which is done in a very fast manner or at a high speed with respect to another thing. For example, dog is quicker than a tortoise, because dog moves or runs faster than the turtle or tortoise. Second is slower. Something which is done at a low speed with respect to another thing. For example, a turtle is slower than a dog, as the turtle moves at lower speed than a dog. Earlier and later. We use these words to explain the occurrence of an activity with respect to another. For example, I arrived earlier to school, but Claire arrived later than me. Let's try a question. Hazel and Ivy are racing. Hazel took 15 minutes to reach the finish line and Ivy reached the finishing line in 11 minutes. Who arrived earlier? Since Ivy took 11 minutes, whereas Hazel took 15 minutes, and 11 comes before 15, so that means we can say that Ivy arrived earlier.